This is a story of a man who just needs to be loved.
I wish you were here.
Once na lang, okay? I love you.
I love you.
A woman who willingly gives it.
If I choose this man to define me and not my career, wala na ba akong kwentang tao na?
And another who would do anything to have it.
Ang dami kasing ganung nangyari eh. Mahal ka pero papalitan ka. Mahal ka pero sasabay ka sa iba.
This is their love story.
Have some fun.
Anong have some fun? Nagtatrabaho tayo.
May pact tayo, di ba? Bawal ma-in love.
Oo, huwag ka na ma-inlove sa akin.
I didn't break my promise. Hindi kita binitawan.
But what drives a man to take another woman when he already has the perfect one?
Do I have any to worry about?
What do you think? Alam mo naman na ikaw lang ang mahal ko.
Pakiramdam ko mali pa rin tong ginagawa natin eh.
Just want to be free. Just want to be free with you.
Lovers know love has consequences.
Bakit po ako nasasaktan na mawala siya sa akin? Eh, hindi naman po siya akin talaga.
So how sure are you na ikaw ang mas mahal?
Tapusin na natin ito. Nakakapagod na eh.
How can something so right seem wrong?
At itangyayari mo kinakatakutan. Ay, bigyan na
How can something so wrong seem right?
In another world where you and I can be together. In another set of chances.
Star Cinema proudly brings
I'll take the one time
extraordinary story
make you
about how
mine.
love is not always what it seems to be. Starring James Reid, Dean Newsted, and Eva Calzado.
Kasi mag-adjust na
But
kami
until that time, I'll be holding on
Kami po talaga, kami talaga.
forever. Until another love.
Kung siya